So, welcome to the Kitamura booth. We're going to be taking a look at the aromatic MI control. Kitamura have integrated the set and inspect functions right inside the aromatic control. As you can see, it provides easy use of the probing and is fully integrated with the Kitamura functions. Measuring a bore is just a matter of inputting the size, choosing your work offset, and sending it to the CNC. It's then ready for the cycle start button.
I am Dr. Kitamura with Kitamura Machinery. Then we start selling our own control aromatic MI, which is back reading with I am Kitamura. Then we start this new concept control since 2008. Then that philosophy we start selling own control. We would like to offer the machining challenge simplify. It's much simplified for the operating programming. Currently using this type of the complicated programming looks like numerical control programming described on screen. That's why it makes it difficult to operating customers, especially new generation people cannot learn well for the decode or complicated programming. We very appreciate the initial, but they understand that our new slogan to say the machining challenge simplify. Then we so much happy the initial could develop the set and inspection. It's exactly what we want to offer the machining challenge simplify.
For more information, go to renishaw.com/machine tool apps.